Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I want to take you through PowerPoint presentation. How do we create PowerPoint presentations? So here, you just need to have what work that you intending to form in order to present to your audience. So what you have to do, you need to go to the window selections, then you look for PowerPoint software. So here we are opening our PowerPoint Microsoft. So if you open PowerPoint Microsoft like this one, there are numbers of options, so you need to select on blank presentations. So under blank presentations, we shall have quite a number of options to select, because this one, it is having a title and the subtitles. Okay, this one is basically good for the first page of your PowerPoint slide. So take for example, assuming we want to put the name of the presenter, the address and the name of the presenter. Let's say Dr. Romano. Then these are the subtopics. Let's say is bee farm. Is holding bee farm, maybe with the masters in something. So you just put there. So after that, you go to the next slide. You select the next slide. For the new slide, you come up to here where my cashier is. So you tap on the new slide. So here you'll find a number of forms how you want your PowerPoint slides to appear. But for me, I want to select this, the one which is having the title and the content. Okay. So as my next slide, let's say what we are going to present is drug resistant. Let's say our topic is drug resistant. And another thing you need to know during PowerPoint presentation, you think must flow. Actually, in the first page, you need to show the listeners what you are going to take them through to attract their interest, such that in the course of the presentation they know the objectives of what you are going to take them through. So advisably, it is always recommended to have your objectives in the second slide to show the listeners what you are going to take them through and how you are going to run your presentations. Okay, let's say this one is our objective of the presentations. Objectives. And then let's say the content, what we're going to cover is definition. Then let's say we are going to see the types. Maybe we can tell the listener that we are going to see maybe examples. So this one, you're drawing your way how you're going to present your things and what are you going to handle during the presentation. Then after this, you need to go to the next slide, whereby your next slide you come again here, you add new slides, then you'll be now tackling these objectives one by one. Okay, so for example, let's say drug resistant. Then we say here definition. So here you can define drug resistant under the body here. You can now define type how the definition is. When you're done with the definition or the possible contents you want to put under the definition, you can again add the next slide to go to the next objective. Let's say our next objective was types. So we add another slide. Then we say here types. So types you can also put, maybe this is one type, this is second type, and this is the third type, sorry, this is the fourth type. After putting all your types you're intending to display all, then you can either summarize by saying maybe conclusion, okay, because each presentation must have a conclusion, okay, conclusion, then you conclude, okay. Then after concluding, now your presentation, your PowerPoint is ready and it is in an organized form. So you can go ahead and save. So to save, you can either click Ctrl S, or you come here, then you go to Save As. After Save As, it asks you where do you want to save, desktop or as a document. Now we want to save as a desktop. Now desktop here, this is how you're going to see the rig, and we can save as if you have to, for this thing is tricky. If you save as PDF, it may fail to open in other computer windows, so it is always advisable to save under PowerPoint. It is here, PowerPoint 97203. Okay, yes, you're supposed to save under PowerPoint 97203 presentation. This makes it open in any computer if somebody wants to access this work. Okay, let's go to the desktop and we see how it is. Where is it? It is here. Let's open and see. This is not the one. Let's open. We had saved as drag. Let's open and see where it is. It is here. So this is what we have created, our PowerPoint we have created so far. Excellent. Have you seen? So this is how it is. So briefly, this is how we create our PowerPoint. This PowerPoint, you should also know that you can design it the way you want. You can give it a design. Okay, you just go to design, you just modernize it the way you want. You can change colors, you can do a lot of design, but your design should not interrupt the listeners. That is one point you have to know. So you can design and save. After saving, it is changed completely. So members, that's all. It was just a simple and a brief step. So this thing is just easy how to create your PowerPoint. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. We meet again in the next video, but don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button. Thank you so much.